million to 1.4 million?
Different, kasi like the one you saw kanina, that's really a last mile school, walang mga daan, walang kuryente, walang tubig, and actually it was the Army Corps of Engineers who provided the transportation all the way up the mountain. So those locations medyo mahal kasi I think, although we are not a construction company, we don't do the building. The contractor, kung sino yung nanalo ng bill, medyo nahirapan sila, so medyo mahal, diba? But if it's a location na hindi naman ganun kalayo, let's say for example, si Sunny's, I think Batangas lang yung kanila. So medyo mas mura yun kasi madaling puntahan.
Around what range kaya?
Ay, hindi ako yung dapat tanongin. Siguro you can ask our managing director because siya yung nagpapabid. And then, if you look at our website, nandun lahat, that's part of our promise to the public is called transparency. So if you go on our website, every single classroom we build, sinasabi namin kung saan, ano yung phone number and name ng principal, the phone number and the name of the contractor, at magkano yung nagastos. Para at least alam ng tao kung saan napupunta yung pera
Mami,
nila.
ilang schools na po yung na-build natin? Tapos ilan po yung projected natin this year?
Well, yung classrooms na build na so far is 144. Pero kung ilan yung mapapatayo, kayo po ang magsasabi nun. Dahil kayo ang magsasabi kung gaano successful yung mga co-brand na to. So, if you really support these brands in the products that they're selling to build classrooms, we super, marami. Pero kung hindi, then we won't be able to build that many. So, how many are built is really up to the public.
But with the initial, is there an initial